Welcome back to Energy and Cleaning and Life Hacks. Today we're going to be trying something out truly amazing when it comes to removing gum and a sticker that has been washed, dried, and stuck on my 3-year-old shirt. Now what you want to do is take some rubbing alcohol. By the way, I saw this on the Rachel Ray show, so we're going to test it out to see if it actually works here on the gum as well as it was demonstrated. And if that doesn't work, I have a sure-proof way to remove any sort of stickiness that you may have in your home. So I just have some rubbing alcohol right here. I'm going to go ahead and soak. Woo-wee! I did not mean to do that. Well, we got a lot of rubbing alcohol. You don't need that much rubbing alcohol, so you're just gonna go ahead and put it around wherever your sticky gum is. Let it sit, let it soak in. That's been sitting for a decent amount of time, and then allegedly we're just supposed to be able to take some tape here. She used duct tape, but I'm gonna use some painter's tape because, well, I don't know. I don't have any duct tape laying around, and this is really sticky, by the way. Yeah, like duct tape. All right, so then you go ahead and you lay your tape across the sticky gum with the rubbing alcohol, and then you can go ahead and, according to her recommendation, is just rip. Ooh, that did work. All right, I'm impressed, girl. I'm impressed. Let me show you an alternative technique. I don't think it's gonna work as well on the sticker, just in case. Goo Gone. Yes, you can use this on fabric. I've used it on my husband's before, and I didn't have any issue ruining a collared shirt. I'm gonna go ahead and let that sit in there for about 5-10 minutes. Now, we take something like a credit card. This is a little Scotty peeler, and then you can get underneath. Oh, that just basically lifted itself. Did you see that? Now there's some residue here along the shirt line, and you're just gonna go ahead and get all that stickiness. This may be a little harder to do with the tape and the rubbing alcohol technique, but I would recommend that you try both if needed. Anything I talk about is linked in the description box below in my Amazon store. All right, I'm impressed. Give this video a thumbs up. Click the video on screen now for some additional cleaning and life hacks. Now, I'll see you, my friend, in the next one.